USS Gerald R. Ford, CVN-78, the world's most advanced aircraft carrier. The USS Gerald R. Ford, CVN-78, is widely recognized as one of the most advanced and powerful aircraft carriers ever built. Designed and constructed for the United States Navy, it represents the next generation of naval warfare and is the lead ship of the Gerald R. Ford-class aircraft carriers. Named after the 38th President of the United States, Gerald R. Ford, this remarkable vessel combines cutting-edge technology, unmatched firepower, advanced automation, and enormous operational capability. It was built to replace the legendary Nimitz-class carriers while introducing revolutionary improvements in aircraft launch systems, radar technology, electrical power generation, and crew efficiency. As one of the largest warships ever constructed, the USS Gerald R. Ford plays a vital role in maintaining global maritime security and projecting military power across the world's oceans. The carrier measures approximately 337 meters (1,106 feet) in length and has a full load displacement of around 100,000 tons, making it one of the largest military ships ever built. Its immense size allows it to carry a complete air wing of modern fighter aircraft, airborne early warning aircraft, helicopters, and support aircraft. Despite its enormous dimensions, the ship is capable of sailing at speeds exceeding 30 knots, powered by two advanced A-1B nuclear reactors. Unlike conventional warships that require frequent refueling, the USS Gerald R. Ford can operate for decades without refueling its nuclear reactors, giving it exceptional endurance and allowing it to remain deployed for extended missions anywhere in the world. One of the ship's most revolutionary features is its electromagnetic aircraft launch system, EMALS. Unlike older steam catapults used on previous aircraft carriers, EMALS uses electromagnetic energy to launch aircraft more smoothly and efficiently. This system reduces stress on aircraft, requires less maintenance, and allows a wider variety of aircraft to be launched. It also enables faster launch cycles, allowing the carrier to generate more combat sorties during military operations. Complementing EMALS is the Advanced Arresting Gear (AAG), which safely recovers aircraft during landing while reducing wear on both aircraft and equipment. The flight deck is one of the busiest and most sophisticated operational areas on the ship. Covering several acres, it supports simultaneous aircraft launches, landings, fueling, maintenance, and weapons loading. The carrier can accommodate over 75 aircraft, including the F-35C Lightning II, F/A-18E F Super Hornet, EA-18G Growler, E-2D Advanced Hawkeye, MH-60R Seahawk, and MH-60S Seahawk helicopters. This diverse air wing enables the carrier to perform air superiority missions, precision strikes, anti-submarine warfare, reconnaissance, search and rescue, humanitarian assistance, and electronic warfare. The USS Gerald R. Ford is equipped with the highly advanced dual-band radar (DBR) system, which provides long-range air and surface surveillance while simultaneously tracking hundreds of potential threats. Combined with sophisticated command and control systems, the radar significantly improves situational awareness and defensive capabilities. Modern combat information centers continuously analyze battlefield information and coordinate operations with naval task forces, Allied ships, submarines, satellites, and military aircraft operating thousands of kilometers away. Self-defense is another area where the carrier excels. Although aircraft carriers primarily rely on escort ships for protection, the USS Gerald R. Ford carries its own defensive weapon systems. These include the RIM-162 Evolved Sea Sparrow Missile (ESSM) for defense against incoming missiles and aircraft, the Rolling Airframe Missile (RAM) system for close-range missile defense, and Phalanx Close-in Weapon Systems (CIWS) designed to destroy incoming anti-ship missiles using rapid-fire cannons. Together, these defensive systems create multiple layers of protection against modern threats. Another remarkable innovation is the ship's electrical power generation capability. The A-1B nuclear reactors produce significantly more electrical power than previous carrier designs, allowing the ship to support future technologies such as advanced radar systems, directed energy weapons, high-powered lasers, and electromagnetic railguns if integrated in the future. This increased electrical capacity ensures that the carrier remains technologically relevant for decades. Automation has also transformed daily operations aboard the USS Gerald R. Ford. Advanced computer systems and automated equipment reduce the number of sailors required to operate the ship compared to earlier aircraft carriers. This improves efficiency, lowers operating costs, and reduces long-term maintenance requirements. Despite the smaller crew, the ship still accommodates approximately 4,500 personnel, including sailors, officers, pilots, and aviation support staff. Living quarters, medical facilities, dining areas, maintenance workshops, command centers, and logistics departments function like a floating city capable of supporting extended deployments around the globe. The carrier's aviation facilities are equally impressive. Large aircraft elevators powered by electromagnetic technology move aircraft quickly between the hangar deck and flight deck. Weapons elevators transport bombs and missiles safely and efficiently, increasing the speed at which aircraft can be prepared for combat missions. These improvements enable the USS Gerald R. Ford to launch significantly more sorties per day than previous carrier classes, increasing operational effectiveness during large-scale military campaigns. The F-35C Lightning II plays a central role in the carrier's future combat capability. As a fifth-generation stealth fighter, the F-35C combines advanced sensors, stealth technology, precision weapons, and networked communications to dominate modern battlefields. Operating alongside Super Hornets, Growlers, Hawkeyes, and Seahawk helicopters, the aircraft carrier forms a complete air combat system capable of conducting virtually every type of naval aviation mission. Beyond combat operations, the USS Gerald R. Ford also participates in humanitarian assistance, disaster relief, evacuation operations, maritime security, and international military exercises. Aircraft carriers often serve as floating airbases following natural disasters, delivering emergency supplies, medical assistance, rescue teams, and helicopters to affected regions. Their ability to operate independently without relying on local infrastructure makes them valuable during global humanitarian crises. Strategically, the USS Gerald R. Ford serves as the centerpiece of a carrier strike group. It is normally accompanied by guided missile destroyers, guided missile cruisers, attack submarines, logistics support ships, and supply vessels. Together, these ships provide layered air defense, anti-submarine warfare, missile defense, intelligence gathering, and logistical support while protecting the aircraft carrier from potential threats. The Carrier Strike Group represents one of the most powerful military formations ever assembled at sea. The construction of the USS Gerald R. Ford required years of engineering innovation and billions of dollars in investment. Thousands of engineers, designers, technicians, and skilled workers contributed to building one of the most technologically advanced naval vessels in history. Although the program experienced development challenges and cost increases during construction, many of these issues were expected when introducing numerous new technologies simultaneously. As testing and operational experience continue, the ship's performance and reliability continue to improve. Military experts consider the USS Gerald R. Ford a major leap forward in naval warfare. Its combination of nuclear propulsion, advanced launch systems, increased electrical power, reduced crew requirements, modern radar, improved survivability, and unmatched air-wing capability ensures that it will remain one of the world's most powerful warships throughout the coming decades. The carrier is designed to serve well into the second half of the 21st century while continuously receiving software updates, equipment modernization, and future weapon systems. For aviation enthusiasts, naval historians, military professionals, and technology lovers, the USS Gerald R. Ford represents the ultimate expression of modern naval engineering. Every aspect of the ship, from its enormous flight deck and advanced aircraft launch technology to its sophisticated radar systems and nuclear propulsion, demonstrates decades of innovation and engineering excellence. Whether participating in multinational exercises, supporting humanitarian missions, maintaining freedom of navigation, or providing rapid military response anywhere on Earth, the USS Gerald R. Ford stands as a symbol of technological achievement and one of the most capable aircraft carriers ever built. Its unmatched combination of size, power, endurance, aviation capability, and future-ready technology ensures that it will continue to dominate the world's oceans for many decades to come.